and I am going to be sharing a cocktail recipe that I created today, and it incorporates Xtend BCAAs. So work hard, play hard. You can recover while enjoying a refreshing cocktail. So this recipe is going to be a mango margarita. It's a little bit of a variation. It only has 5 ingredients, so it's super simple, and one of those is water. So we're just gonna start with about 1/3 of your cup filled up with water. Go ahead and put that in there. The reason I am diluting water is because these BCAAs are very flavorful. So we want to kind of cut that down a little bit because we are going to be adding 2 different kinds of liquor here. We are using the Mango Madness BCAAs by Xtend. Get that in there. Okay, so that's 2 ingredients down. We only have 3 left to go. So I have my jiggle here, but you can just use a measuring cup at home if you don't have one. I'm not a bartender, I'm just super extra. So what we have is an orange liqueur. So any orange liqueur or triple sec will do. And we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of that. So there we are, 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. And then we have our tequila. We're gonna do a little over 1 ounce of the tequila. And our last ingredient, sweetened lime juice. That is going to be your key to that margarita taste. So we're just going to do about 1/2 ounce of this as well. So 5 ingredients and you are good to go. We shake it up. You can throw ice in the shaker as well. I just did it today. So you shake it and you have a recovery cocktail thanks to Xtend. Work hard, play hard.